We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with a Dell B3460DN. So this printer will take a cartridge number M11XH. So you'll open your front hatch by this button. Literally just pull this blue lever, set your old toner to the side, unbox your new one, that way you don't get them mixed up. And then what you want to do is it has these little arrows on each side. Go ahead and just put it in the guides where the blue arrows already are. Once you hear it click, you know it's in place. Shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.